is going to happen in the 30-day wardrobe challenge. This is how it's going to work. You will get an email every day. That's 30 emails. You will also get a video training. And then once a week, we'll come together as a group and do some coaching live on Zoom. This 30-day challenge will walk you through the process of how to curate a wardrobe you love. So if you are frustrated in any way, whether it's about deciding on your style, or how to organize your clothes, or how to go through the purging process, or how to let go of sentimentality, or you fill in the blank. The first week we'll look at your thoughts about your clothes, about your closet, about your organization, and uncover maybe something, a thought, something as in a thought that is keeping you stuck. I'll also offer thoughts that are helpful, thoughts that you can borrow until you develop your own really super healthy and loving thoughts about yourself, about your clothes, about your wardrobe, about your closet. The second week, we'll look at your lifestyle and just get really curious and super honest about what is your lifestyle, and do you have what you need to live your lifestyle? Or do you have little holes? Do you have gaping holes that need to be filled? So that is a really amazing process that you can learn how to do, and then do it over and over and over again, and just continually hone your wardrobe. And then the third week, we'll talk about your style and just deciding once and for all, what is your style? And that's just gonna make getting dressed so easy. It's gonna make it a no-brainer. It's gonna take away all the frustration, all the angst, all the confusion out of getting dressed, and make shopping so much easier. And then the fourth week, we'll go through the process of deciding on your capsule. And this workshop is going to take you through the process for the season of autumn. And so you can take this process after you learn it and take it into winter. Do the process again. Take it into spring. Do the process again. Into summer. Do the process again. And the more you do it, the more you will fall in love with your closet, with your clothes, with yourself, and with the process of getting dressed. So I am a closet coach, and I am offering to walk you through this process in the month of November. It will be 30 days of learning and implementing how to curate a wardrobe you love. And to be honest, not just love, but love, like 2 syllables, love. So the link is in my bio. It's an online digital product, really, that will come to your emails. And then also, like I said, we'll get together and have a weekly coaching session. So any questions that you have come up through the week, anywhere you're getting stuck, anything that you were not able to implement for what reason, you can bring that to the live call and we'll coach you through it. We'll answer your burning questions and we'll just get it done. I don't know if you have had your closet on your to-do list for a few years now. Let's just cross it off. Let's just get it done. So hop on, let's do this. Let's get it done and cross it off. See you soon. Bye.